Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. I hope all of you are well. Oliveboard has come up with a series called Word of the Day, and today is day 172 of the series. In this series, I give you a new word every day, its meaning, and its usage in a sentence. Apart from that, I also give you the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. So, this series will be beneficial for you since it will help you enhance your vocabulary and it will also help you if these same words come up in the exams that you are preparing for. So let us look at today's word. Today's word is ameliorate. The meaning of the word ameliorate is to make something that is bad or unsatisfactory better. I repeat, the meaning of the word ameliorate is make something bad or unsatisfactory better. Now let us look at a sentence and try to understand this word ameliorate better with the help of that sentence. The sentence that is given to us says the reform did much to ameliorate the living standards. Here, ameliorate is being used as a verb. Now, let us look at the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. The synonyms can be to improve, better, or to enhance. The antonyms, on the other hand, can be to worsen or to exacerbate. Now, guys, we'll use the language Hindi to understand this word ameliorate better. जो सेंटेंस हमें दिया हुआ था हम उसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे और इस वर्ड एमिलियोरेट को बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. द सेंटेंस दैट वाज गिवन टू अस वाज द रिफॉर्म डिड मच टू एमिलियोरेट द लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड्स. तो सेंटेंस ये कह रहा है रिफॉर्म्स ने जीवन स्तर को सुधारने के लिए बहुत कुछ किया. यहाँ पर एमिलियोरेट का मतलब है सुधारना. So, guys, we have used both the languages, English as well as Hindi, to understand this word ameliorate better. I hope you liked the session. Like the video, share it with your friends, and for more such content, stay tuned to Oliveboard. Thank you and have a nice day.